Consider M, which is of this size 4 cross 4, and this matrix M, you can observe diagonal elements are zeros, and after observing this is symmetric. Symmetric matrix with the diagonal elements 0. So trace of this matrix M equals to 0. Because of symmetric, all eigenvalues symmetric, or you can say real Hermitian. Real Hermitian. That's why eigenvalue of this matrix M is real numbers. So if all eigenvalues are negative, their sum never be 0. That's why option C discarded. If all eigenvalues are positive, again trace never be 0. Option B discarded. M has no real eigenvalue because of Hermitian. All eigenvalues are real. A, B, C, first three options has been discarded. That's why option D is correct. Some eigenvalues are positive and negative. That's why their sum will be 0.